Have you ever locked eyes with someone and felt like the entire world faded away? Maybe it lasted only a few seconds, or maybe it lingered a little longer than expected. Whatever the case, eye contact can be a powerful, unspoken language. But here's the big question. Can eye contact actually reveal if someone likes you? According to psychology, yes, absolutely. In fact, the eyes are one of the most honest indicators of attraction, interest, and emotional connection. When someone likes you, their eyes often betray what their words may never say. In this video, we'll explore 4 powerful ways that eye contact reveals attraction, interest, and emotional intensity, backed by real psychology. Let's break down the science of the stare and decode what their gaze is really telling you. Why eye contact is so powerful. Before we get into the 4 ways eye contact reveals someone likes you, let's understand why eye contact is such a big deal in the first place. Eye contact is one of the first forms of connection we learn as babies. Even infants instinctively seek out eye contact with their caregivers. It makes them feel secure, loved, and noticed. As we grow older, that instinct doesn't fade. In fact, it becomes even more complex. Psychologists call eye contact a non-verbal social cue, a way our brain reads intention, interest, and emotional energy without a single word being spoken. In human interaction, eye contact does a few critical things: builds trust and intimacy, triggers emotional arousal and attention, signals confidence or nervousness, creates a sense of connection and understanding. Studies have shown that eye contact can even increase levels of oxytocin, also known as the love hormone. This hormone is responsible for bonding and emotional attachment. So, when someone makes eye contact with you and holds it longer than usual, there's often something deeper happening. Let's now dive into the 4 signs that eye contact reveals someone may like you. Sign number 1. Prolonged eye contact. The first and perhaps most obvious sign is prolonged eye contact. When someone likes you, they often hold your gaze just a little longer than necessary, not in a creepy or awkward way, but in a way that lingers. Why does this happen? Because holding eye contact increases emotional connection. It signals openness, trust, and interest. According to a 2006 study published in the Journal of Research in Personality, participants who engaged in mutual eye contact for 2 minutes reported significantly higher feelings of attraction, even if they were strangers. This happens because the eyes send a subconscious signal that says, "I see you. I'm focused on you. You matter." Prolonged eye contact during conversation, laughter, or even silence may indicate they are fully present and paying attention only to you. They are testing if you feel the same way. They feel emotionally drawn to you. They're trying to read your expression and connect deeper. Important note, there's a difference between prolonged eye contact and staring. When someone likes you, their gaze is soft, curious, and alive, not blank or aggressive. So, if someone maintains warm eye contact with a gentle smile, chances are they like you. Sign number 2. Frequent glances and looking away. Here's a sign that often gets overlooked. Frequent glances followed by quick lookaways. This happens when someone likes you but is too shy or nervous to maintain eye contact. Instead, they glance at you when they think you're not looking, quickly look away when caught, smile to themselves or blush afterward, may repeat the behavior throughout a conversation or shared space. This behavior is explained by something called approach avoidance. Conflict, a psychological term for when someone is drawn to something or someone, but also afraid of rejection or vulnerability. In other words, they like you but feel emotionally exposed when caught looking. Eye contact triggers the limbic system, the emotional center of the brain. When someone likes you, their body has a subtle internal conflict. Should I connect? Or should I protect myself? This leads to glancing, avoiding, and sometimes fidgeting, classic signs of crush anxiety. So if someone is glancing at you more than once, and especially if they look away quickly, they may not be ignoring you. They may be admiring you and just nervous about it. Sign number 3. Dilated pupils and eye brightness. The third sign is much more subtle but incredibly powerful: pupil dilation and eye brightness. When someone is attracted to you, their pupils tend to dilate or get larger because of emotional arousal. This is an involuntary, subconscious response triggered by the autonomic nervous system. You can't control it, and neither can they. In fact, a well-known study from the 1970s, published in the journal Science, showed that men rated photos of women with dilated pupils as more attractive, even though they weren't consciously aware of the pupil change. Other subtle signs in the eyes that may indicate attraction include a certain brightness or gleam in their eyes when they look at you, a soft sparkle or emotional intensity, blinking more frequently, which can indicate nervous excitement, widened eyes that show interest or surprise. Pro tip: if someone's eyes look a little more alive or reactive when they see you, pay attention. Their body might be telling the truth, even if their words aren't. Sign number 4. Eye contact paired with microexpressions. The fourth and final sign is the combination of eye contact with microexpressions. What are microexpressions? They are brief, involuntary facial expressions that last only a fraction of a second and reveal a person's true feelings, even if they try to hide them. When someone likes you, their eye contact may come with a flash of a smile, raised eyebrows, a sign of interest or curiosity, blushing or soft eye crinkles, the real kind, not the fake social smile, lip movements or parting when they're emotionally stimulated. These combinations reveal sincerity, attraction, and emotional vulnerability. For example, if someone looks at you, raises their eyebrows slightly, and smiles quickly before looking away, they're likely attracted, or at least deeply curious. If their eyes meet yours and their whole expression softens, they feel emotionally safe around you. These signals are often subconscious. The person may not even realize they're doing it, but your brain does, and you feel the connection intuitively. This is the science behind feeling chemistry. It's the microexpressions plus eye contact plus energy exchange. What eye contact means based on personality types. Here's a key insight. Not everyone uses eye contact the same way. Extroverts tend to use more direct eye contact to express interest, while introverts may avoid prolonged gazes but still show subtle signs of attraction. Also, attachment style plays a role. Secure types hold eye contact naturally and comfortably. Anxious types may hold it intensely or avoid it due to fear of rejection. Avoidant types often struggle with prolonged eye contact even when interested. So if someone isn't staring deep into your soul, don't assume they're not into you. They may be showing interest in quieter, subtler ways through body language, energy, or reactive glances. When eye contact doesn't mean what you think. Now let's be real. Eye contact doesn't always mean someone likes you. Sometimes people make eye contact because they're being polite. They're trying to understand or read you. They're naturally confident. They're faking interest for strategic reasons. So how can you tell the difference? Look at the context and consistency. Do they show other signs of attraction, like mirroring, open body language, and attention-seeking behavior? Is the eye contact warm and emotionally engaging, or blank and neutral? Does it happen repeatedly over time, not just once? Always observe eye contact in combination with other behavioral cues for the clearest picture. What to do when you notice the signs. So you've picked up on the signs, what now? Here's how to respond wisely and confidently. 1. Maintain eye contact back if you feel comfortable. This signals mutual interest. 2. Smile gently. It instantly lowers tension and opens emotional connection. 3. Lean in or mirror slightly. Non-verbal cues that create rapport. 4. Stay present and curious. Don't overanalyze in the moment. 5. Watch for escalation. Does the eye contact deepen over time? If you're unsure whether it's attraction or politeness, ask yourself, do they look at everyone this way? Does their gaze linger a little longer on me? Do they look emotionally engaged when our eyes meet? Trust your gut. The eyes rarely lie. Final takeaways and encouragement. To wrap it all up, eye contact is a powerful, beautiful way the human heart expresses what words sometimes cannot. If someone's eyes keep finding yours, if their gaze softens when they look at you, if you feel something electric in the silence, they may be trying to tell you something deeper. Whether it's the beginning of love, curiosity, or emotional interest, don't underestimate what a single glance can say. Remember, the eyes are the window to the soul, and sometimes they speak the loudest. If this video helped you decode the mystery of eye contact and attraction, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Have you ever experienced powerful eye contact that made you wonder, do they like me? Tell your story, we'd love to hear it. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more psychology-based insights into human behavior, love and relationships. Thanks for watching, and remember, the next time someone looks at you a little too long, they might be saying something their lips never will.